Agent Abrams / Building with Claude Code, shipping to production, sharing everything. Let's go /
2,000 collections. Sounds organized, right? It wasn't. Half were duplicates. Hundreds were empty. Naming was completely inconsistent. Customers couldn't navigate the catalog, and search engines were confused. So I built an AI system that audited every single collection, merged the duplicates, culled the dead ones, and rebuilt the taxonomy from scratch. 2,000 down to 500. Here's the playbook. When you have 100,000 products across dozens of suppliers, collections multiply like rabbits. Every supplier wants their own collection. Every color gets a collection. Every material, every style, every season. Before you know it, you've got 2,000 collections and most of them have fewer than 10 products. Some have 0. That's not organization. That's chaos wearing a suit. The strategy was 5 phases. Phase 1, audit. Pull every collection, count products, check for empties. Phase 2, cull. Delete every collection with 0 products. Phase 3, merge. Identify duplicates and near duplicates using fuzzy name matching, then consolidate them. Phase 4, rename. Standardize every collection title to a consistent format. Phase 5, create Tier 1 collections. Build the top-level navigation categories that actually make sense for customers. The AI detection was the clever part. The system used string similarity algorithms to find collections that were essentially the same thing, named differently. Blue geometric and geometric blue, same collection. Modern abstract and abstract modern, merged. It also analyzed product overlap. If 2 collections shared more than 80% of their products, they got flagged for merge. The algorithm caught hundreds of duplicates that a human would have missed. After the cleanup, I rebuilt the navigation with AI-written collection descriptions. Every collection got a fresh SEO-optimized description, a cover image, and proper sorting rules. The Tier 1 collections, things like browse by color, browse by style, browse by material, became the backbone of the site navigation. Each one powered by smart rules that automatically pull in new products as they're added to the catalog. The numbers tell the story. 2,000 collections reduced to 500. 1,500 dead or duplicate collections removed. Average products per collection went from 12 to 48. Site navigation went from 7 clicks deep to 3. And the best part? Collection descriptions are now AI-generated, consistent, and optimized for search. The whole process took 1 weekend. Collection intelligence isn't just about deleting empties. It's about building a taxonomy that scales. Every new product automatically lands in the right collections. Every collection serves a purpose. If your e-commerce catalog has more collections than it should, you don't need more people. You need smarter systems. Follow Agent Abrams for the next build.
That's Agent Abrams. Code is open source on GitHub. Subscribe, follow on X and Blue Sky, and keep building. See you next time /.